Welcome back to Black Box AI Lab. I'm excited to announce the crew has its first customer. Here we go.
All right, before we get into today's video, I want to show you something. This is the Black Box Build Fund. I keep saying every dollar the AI company makes goes right back into the build. The target is $4,500. That buys us a Jetson Thor Development Kit, 2070 T-flops, Blackwell architecture, and it runs 70 billion parameter models locally. Right now we're at $116.22, 2.6% of the way there. This is through Amazon affiliates, a Gumroad sale, and our first SEO client. That's what's in the fund today. I'm going to update you on the dashboard monthly. Watch it grow. When we hit $4,500, we buy the Thor and we build it live on camera. That's the mission. Let's get into the video. Please hit that subscribe button. I gave my crew one job. Take a local tattoo shop in San Diego and get it to the top of Google. No agency, no $2,500 a month retainer, just my Edge hardware, Claude API, and about 30 cents in compute. Here's what happened. Here's a quick reminder of what we're running on. Jetson Orin Nano Super handling the AI orchestration, Orange Pi serving the language model, Odroid running the PostgreSQL memory layer. All the hardware is linked in the description if you want to build your own. This is Holy Cobra Tattoo in Little Italy, San Diego. Great artist, but almost invincible online. 5 Google reviews, a website Google can barely index, competing against shops with 200 plus reviews and fully optimized pages. I spoke to the owner and negotiated a $100 a month SEO campaign for the crew. That's much cheaper than anybody else is doing it, but it gives us a pilot for the crew to build their SEO business line. In 6 months, we evaluate performance and renegotiate terms. Here's how it works. Scout runs a competitor sweep first, logs the top San Diego tattoo shops in the PostgreSQL. That's intelligence gathering before the content campaign. Next, Casey generates 8 keyword optimized landing pages, each targeting a different search term, 600 words each. Proper meta descriptions. The whole batch took 2 minutes and cost less than 30 cents in API calls. Because the Squarespace API is limited, I had to manually enter these for the crew. For other domain hosts, this can be fully automated and the crew can run the whole thing. So I took Casey's content and added 1 page per keyword. I used the right URL slug for SEO, and I moved each one to not linked so it doesn't clutter the navigation, but Google can still index it. Casey is also creating the content for Google Business Posts. We have 2 up so far, and a 3rd is coming soon. Typical SEO agency costs are $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Our content generation costs 30 cents. The weekly automation runs every Monday and generates fresh content automatically, and we're only charging $100 a month for it.
If you're a local business owner watching this and want this kind of AI-powered SEO campaign, the service is open now. Drop a comment below. All the hardware I use to run this is also linked below. Thanks again for all the support, and happy Mother's Day.